If you are a songwriter, artist, creative, book writer, or even a company founder, then you should know about NFTs, because NFTs are the one thing that can help you grow your craft. You see, in today's world, if you have to become a creative, the friction is very high. If you wrote a book, then you would need the support of a publisher to publish it and raise money so that you can pay your bills. The same is true for any other creative work. Most people don't have the initial money to get started and share their craft with the world. They have to go to these middlemen like record labels and publishers to get that initial money or that initial push. But I think that NFTs can help you skip the middlemen and raise money. And not just raise money. NFTs can help businesses find, entertain, and reward their most loyal followers. Today, if you like a company, for you to invest in it, it needs to be listed on the stock market. But what if you like a small business or a startup? What if you want to support a musician or an artist? There is no easy structured way to do it. And there could be many people just like you. People who love what the business is doing and who want to support and share the journey of the business as it grows. This community of people is a very powerful thing, because in today's world, you don't need 1 billion followers. You just need 1,000 dedicated followers. These followers are called super fans, and they form your community. Now here's an example of how a musician or a creator will be able to use NFT. Let's say you're a musician and you made a really nice track. What you'll do is, you'll make an NFT out of this track. And since you can control the number of NFTs you make, let's say you make 100 NFTs out of your first music track. Send out these NFTs to your supporters. This sale helps you raise money. You can use that money for anything. Let's say you use it to buy a new guitar. Meanwhile, your NFT holders are really happy that they are the 100 people in the world who are supporting you. They'll brag about it everywhere they go. They'll go, look, this artist is great, this artist is crazy, look at his music, look at his first track. But why would someone just buy your music to brag about it? Well, that's not the end of the story. You see, apart from bragging rights, you can also give your NFT holders royalties. That means that in your NFTs, you can make it so the profits that you make in your next album are shared with your NFT holders. Now you have raised money, you've bought a new guitar, you're working on your song. Also, you're talking to these people. You're talking to the 100 people who really support you. You're seeing what they like about your music and what they don't like. You're taking feedback. This feedback helps you make an awesome second album. And that album is so awesome that a music label picks you up, you get into Spotify's trending charts, and you make a lot of goddamn money. Now, your NFT holders, when they bought the NFT, you made a deal with them that everyone who owns my NFT will get 10% of my profits from my second album. So when you make a lot of money on your second album, 10% is automatically transferred to all your NFT holders. So it's not just about the bragging rights. Now, after you've become famous, they are rich. So they got rewarded for believing in you when no one else did. And you got that initial kick and feedback which everyone needs when they're just starting out, without needing to go to a record label or a middleman. That's the power of NFT based communities. Super cool, right? It's almost like stocks and dividends. You invest in the stocks of a company, and when it makes profit, it gives you dividends. Now this is just a royalty program. There are also many other things you can do with NFTs and NFT based communities. But do you get how crazy this is? You don't need a middleman. You don't need someone in the middle anymore to tell you that, oh, you cannot be a singer, you cannot be a creator, you cannot write a book. No, you can. You just need to find a few people who like you, who support you, who are willing to pay for your NFTs, and that will be your launchpad to success.